How do HIPAA breach notification rules work for healthcare incidents? Imagine discovering that sensitive patient information has been accessed or exposed without permission. What happens next? That's where the HIPAA breach notification rules come into play. These rules are part of the federal laws that protect patient privacy and ensure healthcare organizations respond properly when a security incident occurs. As healthcare technology advances, especially with the use of artificial intelligence and digital tools, understanding these rules becomes even more important. When a healthcare organization experiences a breach, the first step is to figure out if it's a reportable breach. Not every incident involving protected health information is automatically a breach. The organization needs to do a risk assessment to see if the information was compromised in a way that could harm patient privacy or security. If the assessment shows a low chance that the FI was affected, then no notification is needed. But if the risk is high, the organization must act quickly. For breaches affecting more than 500 individuals, the rules requiring immediate notification. The organization must inform the affected patients directly, notify the Department of Health and Human Services, and sometimes alert the media. All of this has to happen without unreasonable delay, and the deadline is no later than 60 days after discovering the breach. For smaller breaches involving fewer than 500 people, the organization still needs to notify the affected individuals and keep a detailed log of the incident. They can report to the Department of Health and Human Services once a year, but no later than 60 days after the end of that calendar year. Third-party vendors or contractors called business associates also have responsibilities. If they experience a breach, they must notify the healthcare organization within 60 days of discovering it. The organization then has to document everything about the breach, including how it happened, what the risk assessment revealed, and what steps were taken to reduce harm. This documentation is important because it helps ensure compliance and can be reviewed during audits or investigations. As healthcare organizations increasingly use artificial intelligence systems to handle patient data, these rules become even more relevant. AI can introduce new risks, like vulnerabilities in machine learning models or automated data handling errors. Organizations must make sure their AI tools follow HIPAA rules, including breach notification requirements, and have strong cybersecurity measures in place. In summary, HIPAA breach notification rules are designed to make healthcare organizations act fast and be transparent when patient data is involved. Whether using traditional methods or advanced AI systems, timely reporting, thorough risk assessment, and proper documentation are key to protecting patient privacy and staying compliant with federal law.